You're welcome to today's tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to create animated text using your Legend app. So you open your Legend app, you start. So there's always a welcome message for you. So you tap this, the word you tap it, or the text you tap it. Then now you type in your own words. Okay, so when you're done, just mark it. So once you've marked it, you see four icons at the top. Camera. So camera is if you want to snap, and that thing you snap will be behind that text. Or you want to insert from your gallery. So that's why I always advise you, if you want to create an animation or animated text, just make sure that your picture, you go on internet, you download pictures that go in line with what you want to create the animated text for. So let's say I want to add picture. So just click here. You come to this place. Anywhere, if it's WhatsApp images or anywhere you want to get it from. I just want to show you that. Let's say I want to make use of this. So I have an option of cropping. I have to crop it. So this is it. This is how it will look like. So now let me play it. So just play it. So this is how it will appear on your finished work. But you can still edit it. There's still room for you to edit. You can just try it on your own. You try it out one after the other till you get to the one that you prefer the most. Just check it out. Then below it as well, you have some other options. And yes, bar. So let's check it out. This is pink. You can hold this, then check this out. Knowledge is power. So check this out. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. So knowledge is power. First frame. So basically, guys, this is how to create your animated text. So what you do now is you come to the last icon, the arrow pointing downward at the top as the fourth one. Then you press it, save as GIF or save as video. And press save as video. So now your animated text is downloading. So now what you do is that you need to create, for example, now I've created knowledge is power. That is for one scene. Then you create another one till you get to the end of your storyline. So that's how it is. So in the next video, I'll show you how to bring your videos side by side. Hello guys, you're welcome to the continuation of this tutorial, that's text animation. So now you press your InShot app, you open it, video, new. So you click on this one, that's the bottom one, recent. So you go to your animated text. So you select the video there, just tap the ones that you want to make use of. So now play. This is the reason you must seek for knowledge always. The more knowledge you have, the more powerful you become. Knowledge is power. So but actually I want to show you something. I don't want to arrange it in that format. So just I want to rearrange it. And how to do it is just tap on any of the clip. So now you hold and just drag it. So I want this one, knowledge is power to come first. Then um, this one to follow. So once you are done arranging, you just tap anyway, just tap on the video. So play, let's say knowledge is power. The more knowledge you have, the more powerful you become. And this is the reason you must seek for knowledge. All right. So that's how I want it to be. So in case you find yourself in such a situation, you know what to do. So right now, what I want to do now is just to add music to it so that you bring it to life. So come to music here. See music. So you can see tracks, effects, record. So just press tracks. So you can add from this place. You can also go to your my music. So you see music on your phone here that you can use as on your device. So now I want to make use of music here. So I'll just go with this one. So I'll use that. So now if I press play, so that's that. So that's that. So right now I want to reduce the volume of the silent night. So to do that, just tap on it. You can see that some icons came to life. They were activated. So now tap on it. You can see. So now edit. This way to reduce the volume. Reduce the volume. If you want it to fade in, if you want it to fade in, just bring it this way. If you want it to fade out, do it this way. So since our video is not long, so you can just drag this one somewhere around here. So now mark it. So play. So it's fading in now. So that is how to adjust the volume of the music that you add. So now it's fading out and it has faded out. So that is it, guys. That is how to create text animation, and here is where you place your clip side by side. So that is that about this tutorial, guys.